So you want to hunt ghosts? Oh, that's great. Let me show you how to use a ghost hunting kit.
EMF meter. What is EMF? EMF is electronic magnetic fields and is produced when a ghost is present. To turn on and off the EMF meter, press the center button on the meter. To use, either carry or place the meter down. The tower will light up and the meter will beep when there is a spike in electronic magnetic fields. It is recommended to keep away from electronics and magnets as they also produce EMF. Temperature gun. To turn on, press the center button of the temperature gun. It will turn off after 15 seconds of inactivity. To use, point at an area and squeeze the trigger. The temperature will appear on the screen. To establish room temperature, point the temperature gun throughout the room. This will be your normal temperature. When a ghost is present, the temperature will be significantly colder, or a cold spot. Motion detection spheres. To turn on, press the red button. The sphere should light up for about 10 seconds. To turn off, press and hold the red button, then release once a blue light appears. To use, place the motion detection sphere on the ground where they will not be disturbed by humans. The ball will light up when it detects a ghostly vibration. The audio recorder also comes with an instruction booklet within the ghost hunting kit. To turn on, flip the switch located on the bottom right side of the recorder. To begin recording, press the large red record button on the front of the device. To end the recording, press the square button on top. A USB-C cord is provided so you may transfer your recordings to your own device. The audio recorder is used so you may record conversations with the ghost or noises you may have missed during your hunt.
Maybe I ought to try to speak to her. Hello, I'm Dr. Sellers. Where are you from originally? Remember, stay safe. Don't trespass. Have fun.